How to change the filter in your Elita US-700 undersink and how to reset the filter counter. For the purpose of this demonstration, we will be showing all the components above the counter. This is your Elita US-700 housing, which is normally located under the counter, along with the DigiFlow flow meter box. This would be your T-valve connecting into your cold water line under the counter, and your faucet at the countertop with the LED display ring. When the LED on the display ring changes to yellow, it indicates there is 30% or less of the filter life left. This is a good time to order a new filter, as it will soon be time to replace it. When the LED on the display ring turns to red and an audible sound is heard, it indicates the filter life has expired and it is time to replace the filter. To replace your filter, first start by turning off the water supply to your Elita US-700. Do this by closing the valve on the angle stop adapter located at your cold water line. When the valve is in this position, it allows the water to flow through the tube. To turn the water supply off, turn the valve to this position. Next, before opening the canister, you will need to relieve the pressure in the system. Do this by turning the faucet on as if you were going to get a glass of water. You may get a small amount, a few drops of water out of the faucet, or you may get no water out of the faucet. That's okay. Our purpose is just to relieve the pressure in the system. After doing that, you can use your filter wrench to open the canister. Make sure to have a towel handy, as the canister will be full of water. Slide the wrench onto the canister. Use the wrench to loosen the canister. At that point, you can unscrew the canister the rest of the way by hand. Remove the old filter and set it aside until you have gotten your new filter completely installed and properly working. Take the new filter. Remember, the filter is bidirectional, so there is not a top or a bottom. Place the filter into the canister, making sure that it is centered. Then replace the lid on the canister and tighten the canister first by hand. Then use your filter wrench to tighten the canister the rest of the way. Make sure the canister is closed tightly to avoid any leaks. You can now turn your cold water supply back on so that we can flush the new filter. Open the valve on the cold water T-valve adapter. Make sure to turn your faucet on. Wait a few seconds. Water should start flowing out of the faucet. Allow the water to flow for 1 to 2 minutes in order to flush the new filter, or until the water runs clear. During this time, check the system for any leaks. Once the water is running clear, you can turn the faucet back off. Now it's time to reset your filter counter. To reset your DigiFlow filter counter, with the water flow off, press and hold the filter reset button located on the front of the DigiFlow box for 3 to 5 seconds. Once the filter counter has reset, you will hear an audible sound, and then the LED on the LED display ring will flash several times. This completes the process of replacing your filter and resetting your filter counter. Enjoy your water.